Forever thankful, forever humble. I look to God who is the truth for my direction and inspiration. Forever grateful is my mood, forever thankful, forever humble. I look to God who is my truth for my direction and inspiration. To be happy, you must be grateful, so you can feel true joy. You gotta stay awake, keep your eyes and your mind open, so you can stay aware. If you're blinded by the hurt, if you're blinded by the pain, if you're blinded by the stress, you won't see that the simple things we take for granted are the things we should be giving thanks for. Forever grateful is my mood, forever thankful, forever humble. I look to God who is my truth for my direction and inspiration. To be happy, you must be grateful, so you can feel true joy. You gotta stay awake, keep your eyes and your mind open, so you can stay aware. If you're blinded by the hurt, if you're blinded by the pain, if you're blinded by the stress, you won't see the simple things we take for granted are the things we should be giving thanks for. Forever grateful is my mood, forever thankful, forever humble. I look to God who is my truth, my direction and inspiration. Forever grateful, forever grateful, forever, 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 forever grateful, forever grateful, grateful, forever grateful, forever grateful, 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 forever grateful, 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 forever grateful, 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 forever grateful, 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 forever grateful, forever grateful, forever grateful is my mood, forever thankful, forever humble. I look to God who is my truth, my direction and inspiration.
Grateful. Thank God for your voice and your talent, Joby J. That one was called Mood. Jamaica, all our friends watching on One Spot Media across the world, we are forever grateful for you. We're forever grateful for the opportunity to give, to hear the beautiful ensemble that Joby J and her band has given us this morning. And there will be more. What a great mood. What a great vibe. What a great inspiration.